Hello, I'm Steve TT120. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a little bit of unboxing. Got a class 66 and it's at the end of the box, little red label saying DCC fitted. So there's a chip in there. Not much to take our body apart. Let's see how we get on with this one. Class 66 and there's the end of the box. Won't come out that way. I have to take both ends out. Don't want to damage the box. You know what? Tight fit. Here we go. Oh, look at this. Hey, the old class 66. What have we got in here? The instructions. Your standard instructions that you've got. The Bluetooth. Yeah, your standard instructions. And this is how all the accessories we can fit on the front. That sounds a good idea. So I don't want a coupling at the front, I only want coupling at the back. And that's where the chip is. So, and that's how you remove the body. So we've got that in there, we'll refer to that later. This is all about the chip and standard stuff. Okay. These are the little accessories we've got in here. Little bag of accessories. Lovely. Oh, there's a good weight to them as well. There's a nice weight on there for a TT. And we got the little symbol there saying we've got a chip inside her. So now, wonder which is the front. Is the exhaust at the front or the fan at the front? We'll find out when we put her on the track. And then I think I'm going to take the front coupling out and possibly put a hunt coupling magnet in the back. Okay, let's move over to the track now. Hope you've enjoyed this video. I've been looking on my controller and I've been getting this error message. Apparently you haven't subscribed yet. So please click the little box below and subscribe. Doesn't cost you anything, but the algorithm, it works great. Click the box please. See you on the next one.